Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. We are going to start the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance lines and the trend of the market. You can use these levels as a reference to decide on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. Previously, when we look at the price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend and took resistance at the level of 1.42, and trend reversal has happened. Before trend reversal also, there was a consolidation, price trying to go on a bullish side, but it couldn't break this level of 1.42 and a bearish trend reversal happened. So I have taken this area as a reference and have drawn a resistance line and bottom level as a reference and drawn a support line. And I have extended these lines. You can see a parallel line over here, which is actually the resistance area for the current price action. So previously, whenever the price action touches this resistance line, trend reversal had happened. So this trend line had been acting as a very strong resistance line in the past, and recently you can notice that the price action had momentarily breached this resistance line and took resistance at the level of 1.37. Then a trend reversal has happened, but it couldn't manage to break this top resistance line. It only came up to the mid of this channel pattern resistance area. Then a trend reversal had happened. So when we look at this whole area, this has been acting as a very strong support in the past, and currently it is acting as a very strong resistance. So the price has to break this resistance area to actually start its bullish trend. Currently price is again testing this resistance area and it is sort of consolidating over this area. The price couldn't breach this resistance level of 1.36 for now. And overall, when we look at the price action, it was in a very nice bearish trend, trading within a channel pattern over here. But when we look at only this part of the price action, it has started to go on a sideways. The bearish side trend has become weaker in this currency pair. And in the past, whenever a trend reversal happens, we have noticed a price action forming a double top pattern, then a trend reversal, or a consolidation, then a trend reversal happening. So here also we are seeing a similar pattern being formed. A consolidation or double top pattern is being formed for now, and once this consolidation is over, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. But still we have a very strong support area over here, which is from 1.33 to 1.31. In the past also it had acted as a very strong resistance level. So currently it is acting as a very strong support level for the current price action. So overall, when we look at the price action in daily time frame, it is on a sideways market. Soon we can expect the directional movement in this currency pair, because this area will become narrower and narrower. So we can expect a bullish trend reversal or a bearish trend reversal in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. We already know from the higher time frame there is a resistance channel pattern running over here, and also we have a very strong resistance level preventing the market from going on a bullish side. And from here, when we notice the price action, it went on a very strong bullish trend, but on retracement it couldn't manage to break this midline of the channel pattern and took support on this midline and has made a trend reversal on the bullish side. But it couldn't break this resistance level of 1.36, and currently when we notice the price action, it is in a sideways market or in a consolidation. I have drawn the trend line or the support line, and from the top also I have drawn the resistance line. We can notice that there is a consolidation going on in hourly time frame and the price action is moving on a sideways. When we look at the price action using the Fibonacci's retracement level, currently the price action is trading between the 70% and 60% retracement level, and usually it is assumed that whenever the price action trades at this level, we can expect a trend reversal or bounce back from this resistance area. So let us wait and see how price action goes. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in green color boxes are support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1.35 and support level of 1.34. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Previously the price action had taken support on this trend line or the support line, and it was acting as a support line previously, and currently it is acting as a resistance line for the current price action. After breaking this support line, you can notice that there is no direction in this market and the price action is trading within the range between the support level of 1.35 and the resistance level of 1.36. So it is a range bound market or sideways market in 30 minutes time frame. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 1.35, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading on a sideways, and within this range also, when we notice the price action, it is in a bullish trend and it is taking support on this trend line or the blue color support line. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was taking support on this trend line from the 30 minutes time frame and formed a triple top pattern. Then a trend reversal has happened and it broke the trend line or the support line. Currently when we notice the price action, it is in a bearish trend taking support on this trend line. We can expect it to come down and take support on this support level of 1.35, and if it manages to break this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Otherwise we can expect a range bound market to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently it is in a bearish retracement. I am expecting the price action to trend down and take support on this 1.35. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.